Hello, I'm with Duluth Pack, and today we are going to be learning how to condition the leather on your packs. So the first step in conditioning your leather is first cleaning it. At Duluth Pack we have some leather cleaner. It's about 15 bucks and it works really great. You just use a sponge, or I just have a paper towel here, and just kind of spray it on. So we're gonna just go ahead and start with this piece to clean it. Just kind of rub it around, make sure any dirt that's on the leather is just off. And like I said, typically you just use like a bristle brush or a sponge. Today this is what we have. Just like that. And then grab a dry cloth, make sure it's all clean. So then we're gonna pull out our leather dressing, and this is what is going to actually condition and protect. It's kind of like a moisturizer. Take out a nice clean cloth. Having a nice soft one I think works the best. Pump a little bit of it on the corner. I like to kind of spread it around a bit, give it an even coat. Okay, and then you just pick the spot you're starting, and just some kind of slow circles. Just move around the leather. And you want to do this very gently, so you work all the conditioner deep into the leather. And make sure you get the seams as well. So we're going to do this panel. We're going to do the straps here, and we might also do this top. Okay. So just like that, first panel down, it's a lot darker, it's a little shiny. So we're gonna let this dry. Okay, we're gonna move on to this strap now. And if you're any straps like this, make sure you're unbuckling them so you get better coverage. Apply some of the dressing. And then work in circular motions along the leather. So I might have applied a little bit too much, but we'll just wipe off the excess and we'll be all good. So that is the best way to clean your leather. And this works for Duluth packs, this works for any boots that you have, purses. Hopefully this helps you guys, and thank you for watching.